What's good with y'all? In today's YouTube video, I'm gonna teach you how to sound like Nettspend for free in FL Studio. It's a piece right here, it's both of them. I'm gonna show y'all how to get it. So basically, you join the Discord in the description, scroll down in the preset section, click on Nettspend. Nettspend record preset is stock, and Nettspend is stock. Nettspend non-stock record and Nettspend non-stock main, those are non-stock. Basically, non-stock presets sound better on cheaper mics. If you got a better mic, stock will sound good and non-stock will sound good. But like, it's less lag. Like non-stock presets kind of come with lag because they come with paid plugins. But you don't have to buy the plugins. In my server, we got the paid plugins for free using Cracks, which Cracks is basically paid plugins for free. Like, I'm pretty sure half of y'all ain't buy FL Studio, and y'all got a cracked version of it on some shit. So yeah, basically, these just sound better on some shit with a cheaper mic, which I'm gonna leave a timestamp and like, if y'all just wanna, actually, nah, I ain't gonna leave one. Just like, fast forward on some shit if y'all wanna see that one. But it's a stock one. Stock one sounds really good too. I fuck with both. And I'm gonna show you how to set up the record preset real quick. So say, I had a record preset right here, right? Record preset on 8. I right click, side chain to this track only. And move up the volume or just right click and click reset. But I leave it like negative 2 dB on this. And then you will put the main preset on this one. Do I have it easily? Oh no, I ain't even got mine on there. But look, you would just put the main preset on this one and then it's connected. Boom. You have the record preset. You would do your normal, on the record preset, you would click on your input and put it on post track. And then you all set, like this record. But you would hear yourself. If y'all don't want to hear yourself, y'all got to use the other methods and shit to it, like the basic methods. But yeah, I'm going to show y'all how to sound more like Nettspend real quick with this preset. So y'all know how Nettspend has like a lot of high end. High end is like this like hissy shit in his voice. Well, like in his preset, it ain't even like in his voice. But like, y'all gonna have to put this shit up, put this like, if y'all want like the more like raspy hissiness in this shit, don't put it up too high. Maximum I leave, the preset came with it at like 6, I think. And y'all can put it up a little bit if y'all want. Y'all can do the same with all these EQs on some shit. All of these, especially with this one. You can put this one up too. And you can even put this one up. I'm gonna show y'all a song I made with the preset, but I tweaked the preset a bit. If y'all don't want all that high-end hissiness, because your voice already has a lot of it, just lower these down on all the EQs and shit. Or like lower them down to your liking, not this one. I can up it on this one too and shit. I lower it on that one, I mean. And lower it on this one too. Alright. So I'm gonna show you the song real quick. Y'all let me know if I should. Damn! Y'all let me know if I should drop this too. Let me know.
Watching all the time, like I got a clock. Looking at these hoes, like a copper drop. Went to rehab, picking sets, I'm trying to stop. She can't source some niggas, find out she get blocked. Stroking on my dick is harder than a rock. He said he finna punch me, go and punch the clock. My mind on the money, yours be on the bops. Draco got some kick, I finna buy a stop.
But yeah, that's basically it. Y'all don't know if I drop it. I'm gonna show y'all the pay plugin one now. And it comes with a record preset, but I ain't gonna add that in. But both the record presets do come with auto-tune. So my server also has auto-tune. Just go down to the auto-tune unlimited pack. It comes with every auto-tune for Windows. For Mac, y'all only got auto-tune artists, my bad. I don't know. People don't have, damn, what the fuck? People don't have Mac cracks nowadays. I don't know why. But I can't find them. If y'all got them and want me to add them to the server, just DM them to me. But I'm gonna show y'all the non-stop main real quick. So, basically, with these plugins, it works the same way. Y'all can just up these if y'all want. I'm gonna show y'all which ones it is with the preset. Y'all want something more like them, just up these hoes. And up this one. Basically the same shit, just with better plugins. I made the Nettspend stock preset using this preset. I just copied the settings with like stock plugins and shit. It's really simple to do. Oh, my bad, y'all. I gotta put my phone on silent, my bad. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I appreciate y'all for all the support y'all be giving and shit. My bad, I don't be uploading like that. I don't be uploading like that because YouTube don't be pushing my shit out when I upload a lot. I don't know why, they just don't do that. So, you know, it's whatever. But I be putting y'all on for free and shit, you know. And y'all be showing me mad love and support. Just make sure you send a daily pay to God, because God the reason y'all alive. He the reason y'all woke up today, man. I just gotta show thanks to him. I appreciate y'all a lot.